Diyan nagsisimula yung suspetsahan Dapat alam nila bakit anong purpose po ito and we'll start this dialogue. I assure you that, Mr. Chair. I assure you that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Because alam ko, yung mga pulis na yun na gumagawa ng checkpoint, sama rin sa kalooban nila dahil taga-Davao rin sila eh. Alam rin nila na ano feeling lang ng mga kapatid nila, ng mga parents nila sa mga ginagawa nila. They're not doing illegal, but they're just doing, to tell you frankly, improperly yung ginagawa nila. Bakit mag-checkpoint ka, palagi naka-mask, kailangan, tapos hindi makita yung pangalan. Yun lang sa akin. We must be friendly, Hansel. You must be friendly to the people. Kahit na hanapin mo si Pastor Kibuloy, I tell you, hindi kita harangin. Wala kami problema dyan. Do your job because it is your sworn duty. Gawin mo. But it is also your sworn duty to love the community. Am I correct? Ipakita mo.